Hey everyone, have you ever wondered how that shiny new laptop made its way from the mines to your desk? Today I'm breaking down the incredible journey of a laptop through the supply chain. So what exactly is a supply chain? It's the network of organizations, resources, activities and technologies involved in creating and delivering a product from its raw material stage to the final consumer. It's what ensures the right product reaches the right person at the right time. Let's dive into the supply chain of a laptop. It all starts with raw materials like silicon, aluminum and plastics mined and processed in different parts of the world. These materials are then shipped to manufacturers where components like the motherboard, processor and screen are designed and produced. Once the parts are ready, they head to the assembly line. Here, the laptop is carefully assembled piece by piece. After assembly, it's packaged up and stored in warehouses. Finally, it's shipped off to retailers or directly to you via e-commerce platforms. Each step of this supply chain is interconnected. A delay at any point can impact the entire process. That's why efficient supply chain management is crucial to ensure your laptop arrives on time and in perfect condition. This whole process relies on advanced technologies like AI, IoT, and blockchain to keep things running smoothly. It's the engine that powers the global economy, making sure products move seamlessly from manufacturers to consumers. So the next time you fire up your laptop, remember the incredible journey it took to get to you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing insights. Catch you in the next one.